Hello everyone, this is M. Milton Joe. In this video, we are going to discuss about Scopus accepted list, Scopus discontinued list, that is Scopus removed list, August 2021. Scopus has announced its recent Scopus discontinued list and accepted list. In this video, we are going to see what are the journals have been removed from Scopus as on August 2021. Similarly, what are the journals are recently accepted into Scopus list as on August 2021. If you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe it and click the bell symbol so that you will get the latest notifications and updates. Now let us get into the topic. First, we need to download the Scopus Excel sheet, which consists of accepted list as well as discontinued list. So just open Google Chrome and type Scopus title list and just click enter. So here you will find the first link. So this is the official website of Elsewhere. So just click it. So just scroll down to the bottom. So here you can find download the source title list, including Scopus discontinued source list. So this is the Excel file. Here we can find the Scopus source list as well as a discontinued list. So just download it and open it. So here you can find, so see here, so discontinued titles August 2021. So this is the Excel sheet which consists of the journals which are removed from Scopus. And here you can find the status. So recently discontinued titles, that is the journals which are removed from Scopus as on August 2021 are marked in bold red color font. So now we will see the journals which are discontinued or removed from Scopus as on August 2021. So just scroll down to see the journals. And here we can find the first journal. See here it is marked in red color. So AMA Agricultural Journal. So here you can find the ISSN number of the journal as well as the publisher name. And the final coverage of this particular journal is year 2021, volume number 51, issue number 4, and the page ranges are given. So the research articles which were published after this volume number, issue number and page ranges are not indexed by Scopus. So make it clear, as of now this journal is no more indexed by Scopus. So let us scroll down to see other journals so which are removed from Scopus as on August 2021. Here we can find another journal, Music Scholarship. So this journal is also removed from Scopus. So here you can find the ISSN number, publisher name, and the reason for discontinuation is publication concerns. So the final coverage year is 2021. So volume number is not specified, issue number is given, that is 2, and the page ranges are also given. So this journal is no more indexed by Scopus. And let us scroll down to find any other journals in the list. So see here we can find another journal, so Pestology. So this journal is also not indexed by Scopus as of now. So you can find the ISSN number, so publisher details, and the reason for discontinuation is publication concerns, and the final coverage year 2021. So volume number 45 and issue number 1, and the page ranges are also given. The research articles are published after this volume number, issue number and page ranges are not indexed by Scopus anymore. So just let us scroll down to find other journals in the list. So just scroll down. So here we can find another journals. So Turkish Journal of Computer and Mathematics Education. So this journal is also no more in Scopus. Here you can find the ISSN number, so publisher name, and the reason for discontinuation is publication concerns, and the final coverage year 2021, and the volume number is 11, and the issue number is 3, and the page ranges are also given. So the research articles which were published after this volume number, issue number and page ranges are not indexed by Scopus. So here we can find another journal. So Turkey's online journal of qualitative inquiry. So this journal is also no more in Scopus. Here you can find the ISSN number, publisher name, and the reason for discontinuation is publication concerns. And the final coverage year 2021. So volume number is not given, issue number is also not given, and the page ranges are also not given. So when these details are not given, so we can get these details only from the Scopus support team. So we can contact the Scopus support team through email and we can get the details. So kindly note, so these journals, so which are marked in red color font, are no more in Scopus. So when we publish our research articles, for identifying the journal we need to be very careful, and these journals are no more in Scopus. So in order to verify the information more clearly, we can also verify the same details in Scopus website also. Now let us verify it. So just copy the journal name. So let us just copy this journal name and open Google Chrome and go to scopus.com. So just scopus.com, and here you will find the option called sources. Just click it. And here you can find, so just click it and choose title. So already we have copied the title, so just paste it. And here you can find the journal name, so just click it. Just scroll down, and here we can find the journal detail. So here you can find the journal name, so just click it. So when you click the journal name, the particular journal's Scopus home page will be opened. So here you can find the journal name, it is available here. Journal name, you can verify it, journal name is available, and see here the Scopus has clearly specified here. So coverage discontinued in Scopus, that means this particular journal is no more in Scopus, its coverage in Scopus is discontinued. Like that we can verify the journal details in scopus.com as well as in the Excel file also. So now let us go back to the Excel sheet, and here you can find another sheet. See here, accepted titles August 2021. So just click it. See here, so this particular sheet consists of the journals which are accepted for Scopus indexing. So you can find it here. See here, status August 2021. See here, accepted titles in the process of being added to Scopus. See here, date of acceptance. So August 2021, August 2021. So that means, so these journals are accepted for Scopus indexing. So very soon these journals details will be available in scopus.com, as well as the research articles which are published in these journals will also available in Scopus shortly. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe the channel and click the bell symbol and share the video with your friends and colleagues so that everyone will get benefited. So very soon I will meet you in another concept with another video. Thank you very much for watching.